In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drawing tools toolbar on TradingViews. By the end, you'll have a custom favorites toolbar with your most used drawing tools. You'll know how to toggle it on and off, position it anywhere on your chart, and remove tools you no longer need. First, access the tools. On your TradingView chart, move your cursor to the left side of the screen. This is the vertical drawing tools panel. As you hover, you'll see icons for common tools. If a tool has a small arrow, click it to reveal related tools in that group. Keep your chart visible and centered while you do this so you can immediately see changes as you customize. Next, favorite your tools. In the Drawing Tools panel, click the small star icon next to each tool you use frequently, such as trendline, rectangle, or fib retracement. Each click adds that tool to your personal favorites list. If a tool is inside a group, click the main icon to expand the group, then click the star next to the exact tool you want. Take a moment to star only what you actually reach for during analysis. Keeping this list focused will make the toolbar faster to use and less cluttered on the screen. Now, activate the toolbar. Look to the top of the left menu. You'll see a blue star icon appear. Click this blue star to toggle your custom favorites toolbar on. When it's on, a floating toolbar will appear on your chart showing the tools you just starred. Click the blue star again anytime to hide it. Toggling is instant, so you can keep it visible while you're drawing and hide it when you want maximum chart space. From here, customize its position. Move your mouse over the floating favorites toolbar, then click and drag it to any location on your chart: top, bottom, left, or right. Place it where it doesn't cover candles, indicators, or order lines you need to see. Release the mouse to drop it in place. You can reposition it at any time the same way, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. This is just to make sure it's within easy reach while you work. Once that's done, manage or remove tools as needed. To remove a tool from the toolbar, return to the Drawing Tools panel on the left and click the same star icon again to unstar it. As soon as you unstar a tool, it disappears from the floating favorites toolbar. This does not delete any drawings already on your chart. It only updates the shortcuts you see in the toolbar. If you change your mind, star the tool again, and it will reappear immediately. At this point, your custom TradingView Drawing Tools toolbar is set up. You accessed the Drawing Tools panel, starred your favorite tools, activated the blue star to show the favorites toolbar, dragged it to a convenient spot, and learned how to remove tools by unstarring them. From now on, when you need a specific drawing tool, just click it from your floating toolbar instead of searching through the entire panel. If your workflow changes, quickly update the toolbar by starring or unstarring tools. Then toggle the blue star as needed to keep your chart clean. Your TradingView Drawing Tools toolbar is now created, customizable, and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.